Good morning, class 4th. Today again we have started chapter number 3rd, that is the adaptations in the animals. At the last time we have discussed some amphibians, aerial animals and the aquatic animals, and today we have learned that arboreal animals. Arboreal animals are those animals which is spend most part of their life on the trees. They eat, they sleep and they play in the trees. Again I have repeated, arboreal animals are those animals which spend most part of their lives on the trees. They eat, they sleep and they play in the trees. Examples are the monkeys, koalas and the garden lizards. And the many animals have the special adaptation to add their arboreal lifestyle. First one is the limbs and the tails. Many arboreal animals have the long limbs that allow them to swimming effectively from the branches to branches. Example are monkeys. Again I have repeated, many arboreal animals have the long limbs that allow them to swim effectively from one branch to another branch. Example are monkeys. And second, some of them have the long tail which can grasp branches and act as an extra limb. Spider monkeys use their tails to move the balance themselves in the tree. And second topic is the feet and the claws. Animals living in the trees like the squirrel require a strong grip so that do not fall off, and they have strong feet. Their feet and the claws become adapted for squeezing or holding objects by wrapping around them, and their fingers and the thumbs are shaped in such a way that they can hold the branches firmly. And the next topic is the adaptations for the food habit. We already learned about the food and the feeding habitats of the animals in the previous video, and the type of the teeth animals have in an adaptation due to the food habit. Here the teeth of the herbivores are strong, broad and the flat, and they allow them to easily bite and chew the grass and the leaves. Again I have repeated, the teeth of the herbivores are strong, broad and the flat, and they allow them to easily bite and chew the grass and the leaves. Herbivorous animals are those animals which eat only plants. The teeth of the carnivores are sharp and they allow them to easily tear the flesh. The teeth of carnivores are sharp and they allow them to easily tear the flesh. And the carnivorous animals are those animals which has canine teeth which is help to tear the animal flesh. Next one is the omnivorous. Omnivorous have a combination of tearing, biting and gritting teeth. Again I have repeated, omnivorous have a combination of a tearing, biting and the gritting teeth. And birds do not have teeth, instead they have sharp and the strong beak. Birds do not have teeth, instead they have sharp and the strong beaks. And the snakes have powerful muscles which help swallowing and moving the food down the throat. Here I have bent up your station here, and today is your question, that is, read the clues and guess the answer. First, the animal live in a bureau. This animal live in a bureau. Second, this is a bird but cannot fly. Third, it has fins and it breathes through the gills. Fourth one is the it has moist skin and can live both in the water and on land. And fifth, it lives inside the human body. And I have bundled your session here, and we have meet in your next video. Then thank you class.